Can you believe a ship can be haunted by paranormal superpowers? And a man came for multiverse. Yes, it's unbelievable. But in this episode, you are going to see some incredible mysterious events. Let's get it on. On November 1872, Mary Celeste, a brigantine-type ship set sail from New York Harbor to Genoa, Italy. On board there was Captain Benjamin and his family with 8 crew members. The ship has almost 11 people on board, with thousands of barrels of crude alcohol and loaded with food, water and other necessary things, which was enough for 6 months for all people on board. Less than a month later, on December 5, a British ship passing called Digressia spotted Mary Celeste at full sailing on about 740 kilometers to east of Portugal's island. They didn't find any sign of captain or any crew member on the ship. Every ship was undamaged and everything was still on the ship, excluding captain, his family and 8 crew members and the lifeboat. Then crew member of Digressia sailed Mary Celeste to the Spain, almost 1,500 kilometers from there. Then British authorities conducted an investigation, which ultimately found no evidence. This mystery is unsolved from 1872. If captain faced heavy weather condition and tried to escape, but it can be a bad idea. If the ship was not enough to withstand such weather condition, how can they survive on a lifeboat? Maybe pirates might locate them and enslave them all. But everything was still on board. Nobody looted anything from the ship. What if a sea monster attacked the ship or going to attack it? That's why captain and everyone escape on a lifeboat. That's not possible because the ship was in perfect condition. It wasn't even damaged. All those people may rest in peace. Let's get into water again. This area known as Bermuda Triangle covers about 804,000 square kilometer area of southeastern tip of Florida, where many ships and aircraft have disappeared. Unexplained circumstances surrounded some of these accidents. More than 50 ships and 20 aircraft are said to have mysteriously disappeared. Reports are unexplained. Some ships were discovered completely destroyed for no reason. Other ships transmitted no distress signal and were never seen again. Aircraft has been reported and then vanished, and rescue missions are resulted that they were flying in the area. However, wreckage has not been found. According to some theories, Triangle is caused by supernatural causes. According to some other theories, geophysical and environmental factors are more likely to be responsible for that. But many says, so many ships and planes vanished without a trace in the area is nothing to do with supernatural phenomena or aliens. It's just only cause of human error and bad weather. Even according to some Coast Guard, the number that go missing in Bermuda Triangle is the same as anywhere in the world on percentage basis. God knows what happened to all those vanished people. Let's go through for another mystery. In 1945, a well-dressed man showed up at Tokyo International Airport. He arrived at custom like everyone else. Then he handed his passport to the executive. The custom agent paused in confusion. The issuing country of passport was a place known as Torad, which they never heard about it. Then he asked to the another agent. He also wasn't heard about any country called Torad. They was very confused, and the confusion made them to search about Torad in their records. It might be a very small country, but it never found on record. They took him in another room and told him about their records, asked him about his country. He said his nation had been around for 1,000 years. Then they handed him a map and asked him to point out his country. He immediately pointed out an area that known as Principality of Andorra, which was border of France and Spain. The custom agent, now assuming that a man could be a spy or some kind of criminal, they asked about him why he's in Tokyo. He told them he's working in a company that existed in Japan, but not in Andorra. He also told them that he stayed in a hotel, but after some small investigation, there was not any record of this man in hotel. Agent simply confined him in an airport hotel room with 2 guards on the door. During this time, one guard checked on the man, The man laid on bed and claiming that he had massive headache. The guard left the room, stayed outside. When the agents came with the superior authority to ask him few more questions, they told the guard to open the door, but there was no one inside the room. Nothing. Even the bed where he lay down was perfectly made. There was no sign of anyone in the room. They checked outside the room, even the whole airport. They also sent a team to check every hotel, but they didn't find any clue of this man. His belongings like passport, his bag also disappeared. What do you think? How did he manage to escape from multi-stories hotel? From the room secured by 2 guards? Where is Torred? Is it really exist? The man came for parallel world or multiverse? These are just questions now. I'm pretty sure if this man is still between us, he might be happy to see that he is like celebrity here, because books, documentaries, even movies also created on him. Well, stay with Pro Life for more interesting and amazing topics.